Alright, hello. In this video we're going to be doing some oblique views. Yes, I can see it says isometric, but the instruction says to draw the isometric exercises in an oblique view. So I've had a little bit of play around with this already, and just going to try and give it a crack, see what I can do. I'm by no means any expert on this, so I'm just going to start around about here with this one. So I'm going to be approximately 50 mils up there and 50 mils in, so that's going to be my starting point. Now the thing with the oblique view is that you draw I'm going to draw the front view here, and you draw that in a true scale. So I'm just going to draw everything in there, and you can see that it has a length of 112, which would be exactly there at the end of my line, 112. So I think the first thing would be to get a bit of an idea of the sort of outside dimensions of this thing. So I'm going to put that up there like that, and that up there like that. Okay, and that's my front there, and it looks like it's 32 plus 32, which is 64 high. And so I'm going to go on 20 to 84. So this is like a bounding box. So that would be the front. Something like the front that would be our bounding box, what I would say. So that's 32, I'm going 64 there, and there, and then the distance back. So it would appear that this is the right hand side here, and we've got 12 and 12 is 24 and 36. 12 and 12 is 24, and 24 and 36 makes 60. 3 12s, 5 12s, that's 60. And so when we go with the oblique, we just go back at half scale. So 60 would be just become 30. We can. We can sort of, so I'm going to go back 30 there, well that's what my reading of the situation is, that we go back just half the scale, half of it, so that's 60, so we just half everything, and that there's 30, so yeah, like that there. And then this 45 comes in here like this. Okay, and then that there, of course, would come back at 45, like so. And I think my 50 might have been a bit much there, but so make isometric so that the corner is shown in third angle. Okay, so we don't have to do any dimensions, we just for just drawing the object here. So I'm going to put that back there like that. Okay, so that's sort of my bounding box. Right, now I'm going to look, and I'm looking at this bit here, which is 18. Okay, so I'm just going to put that 18, and that seems to go all the way from the top here. So that's 18. So that's there like that. And then I'm looking at this line here, which is up 32. So this is on the front here. So that's 32. So that's across the front there like that. There like that. So that's what we've got there. And then also across the front here we've got a 37, which I'll just put that in there. It's a bit of a that's 40 there, so 37 will be at 3. That's that 37 there, like that there, 37, and 32, and then there's a 16 in here as well. 16. Okay. Right in there like that. This is 16. Okay. And there's that 32 heading up there like that. Okay, alright, so that's got that there, like so. So I'm just going to project these back a little bit here. So that would project back there. Pretty sure that's going to project back there. And that's going to project back there. There will project possibly in there, and this here, right, I'll just project that line there. Okay, right, now, so if we look at this side view here, we've got a 12mm there, which is, because we only go back half, that's going to be 6. So that goes something like that. Okay, so when we, look there, yes, that would be the 6. I'm just looking here at the top, and that's that 37. I'm going to project that all the way up to the top there. Okay, so that goes up there, and yes, there's a bit of a and this here projects up to here as well. Okay, and then that would be that little piece in here. I'm just not sure what level that is. Okay, and then got a 32 back here. Have I got that at 18? I had 18. $32. Yeah, that's probably back there like that. That's that 32. Okay, and if we go to the top, through this top here, through this top, we've got $18, middle, 18 from 64, 18 from 64, 8 from 14 is 6, 46, which will make those. I'm assuming these are in the middle and they will be 23, is that right? Oh no, 60 from 60. 18 from 60 is 42. Only 21 each. 21, 21, 42 plus 18, 60. Will that be 21? Right, 21. Okay, so half of 21 is 10.5. So they would be 10.5, and then 9, half of 18 is 9, and 10.5. Let's go in there, and then that, I'm pretty sure that comes down to this little piece here, which is 32, right? Yeah, 32, and they come back there, 10.5 and 9. So that joins down there like that. And that joins down there like that. Okay, I'm talking very quietly here. Okay, and then that, of course, is going to project down to there. Like that. And that should come across like that. And like there. I think we go there like that, and it stops. I'm pretty sure this here comes in like that. I'm pretty sure this is the, if we look down from the top, that goes all the way through, so that bit's looking right. Yeah, like that. Okay. And that would be top. Like that. And then looking from the side, we've got these bits here, but these little pieces here. So we need to be looking down from the top. I think these project along here like this. Oh, Shit, I'll use the right. So that's good. On there. So that's a starting there. So I think that is going to go like that. Paste. To there, I think. Like that. Be a little bit there. And that comes. And then there's a similar one. 12. So it's 6. I think this one comes in 6 off here. Just that one there. Comes in 6 off there. And right now, this is what's happening over here. Pretty sure that's what's going on there. Okay, and then this here. Right, we're getting there. And then this here definitely comes along here. And oh, so that's that little, there's a little bit in there. It's 32, 16, 16. So is that the 16 there? Yeah, that's right. So that's a, I think that's a little flat. Not that close. There like that. There like that. And I think that goes up to there. That goes up to there. I'm pretty sure it joins across there. Like that. Okay. Gosh. Okay. Okay. And then this one here comes back from there. 6. So that should be it. 6 in there. That's going to come up there like that. It's going to come in like that. So they're going to go back there at 45. Why is it going to go back like that? Let's go. That's the top there. That is going to go to there, I reckon. And that there. That's the top of it. Which one? Go back to there, like there. It's got that little piece on there. Those 2 bits there. Okay, and I'm not sure. Let's come back here. To that. Not sure. Like that. Like that. There we go. No hidden lines. Oops, we need to draw a line here. Is that how it goes? I think it does. Yep. So this here, like these 2 little bits here are here. These are 2 big bits up there and there. That bit down through there like that, and that like that. My little bits of tape that I put on my set screw. That one's causing a bit of stickage. Okay, let's take those ends for now. And maybe just darken that up there a little bit. Okay. So, yeah, and that's my view. So I'm pretty sure just looking at each view, I'm just ticking off that that's what that view would represent if I saw it from the front when we relate it to the other one. So these two little things are in here. Ooh, possibly no line across there. That's a solid face, so there is no line in there. Okay, no line in there. Just keep that there, right? So that's a solid face. We've just half scaled it going back. Okay, and that there could be. So we've got one axis, two axis, three axes. So that axis is there, and then back in there would just be that little bit there. Okay, that's how we see it. If we looked from here, yeah, and then from the top, yes, we'd see these, but we'd see these, and we'd see that, and we'd see that. So, yeah, right, let's get this one in here. I don't know that I've drawn it the best possible place on the sheet, but okay, we'll draw the next one maybe over here, and then we'll see where we go from there. So yeah, okay, so let's put this one here, and we'll call it oblique view 1. Okay, oblique view 1. I think it's got a name of any sort, so there. We're not being asked for any dimensions or anything like that, so oblique view 1. Let's put it in. Oblique view. Right, it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle trying to put it all together. I think I've got it right. I'm sort of happy with it, and yeah, it doesn't look too bad actually. My first, well, possibly my first ever one. There, you'll notice I haven't named this, given this drawing a number. I'm not sure what number it's going to go in my sheet. So I'm going to call that quits there for now, and go out and mow a little bit more lawn actually. Yeah, all good.